And this one is from Christian Dior. So it's an accessory from fall 2019. So this is how, I mean, I love it. Look how cute this packaging is, you guys. I mean, this is just adorable. Everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. This video, I will be doing a luxury unboxing of Christian Dior. So if you guys are interested, do stick around. This is something that I've had my eye on for quite a while, and it's not till the new season version of this particular accessory that I was like, oh my god, this is it, I have to have this one. So this is from Dior. Look how beautiful and cute their fall 2019 packaging is, you guys. So what I purchased are a pair of sunnies or sunglasses. This is my second pair. My initial favorite from Dior is the Lady Dior. This is my first one of the, they call it Dior Stellaire, which is another classic shade from Dior. So I am just gonna unwrap this. I wish I could show you guys me doing this, but anyway. So the reason why I love this one is that I like oversized shades. This one is exactly that. I also love aviators. My current favorite for the past year and a half was a Ray-Ban aviator that was really, really beautiful on my face, and the shape in it was unique. Anyway, so this one is the Dior Stellaire, and I hope, I don't know if I can find the name. Okay, so this retails for $525, so it's $525 Canadian before tax, and then it's $580 Canadian after tax. So this is how the box looks like, and I love the new Dior packaging for sunglasses. Look at this, you guys, it's foldable as well. And so it says Dior right here. This is a leather case. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then this is how it looks inside. It has the sunglasses, and then it has a card right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says Christian Dior. Let's see what the card says. Or is it? So you have that right there. I don't know if that has serial number or something. Oh no, it's just a quality card. This is how it looks. So this is the Dior Stellaire. It looks like oversized aviators, but I love this one because the rim looks like it's rimless because it's not really silver or gold. The reason why I love this, you guys, when I tried it on, first of all, it's very minimal and classic. You don't see any big Dior logos or any Dior, you don't see the oblique or the Dior pattern, which in my Lady Dior you do see in the arms. This one just says CD right at the very left-hand corner of this frame. Not even here, so it's very subtle, but you should see this when I put it on, you guys. It is just, it's so lightweight, and it sits beautifully on like the feet for my nose. It just really holds the frame without touching my cheeks so much, which is a big thing when it comes to shades. That's why I like the Ray-Bans, because somebody who wears makeup quite a bit or on a daily basis, that's one of my biggest things with my Celine shades, my Prada shades. The entire rim, especially in here in the bottom, is full of makeup every time. This one, the legs really keep it from touching any of my face so much, and it is the perfect oversized for me. I love oversized shades, and this one just, I love it when I don't see when it covers my brows and then it hits my upper chin. Those are my favorite size of shades, so I absolutely love these shades. This is called the Dior Stellaire, and this one is the new one for fall 2019. And I love how, in spite of being oversized, it is so lightweight. It's as if I'm not wearing anything when I have it on. Honestly, it's like I don't feel anything, and it doesn't have much fuzz. The arms are very thin and minimal. Everything is so minimal, but you have such large frames that really block the light out. So that is it, you guys. And of course it comes with a Dior little cloth. But this is so gorgeous, you guys. This casing is so gorgeous, and she said you could fold this, which I'm not so sure what she meant by that, but I think you can fold this in. Oh yeah, you can fold it in. So you can fold the sides in if you want to collapse it. Let's say you don't have the shades inside, you can fold it in. Oh yeah, you could. Look at that, you guys. You can absolutely fold it flat if you don't have the shades inside, so it doesn't take room in your purse. And then you just put the flap back on. I don't know if I'm showing this properly. So there's flaps here on the side that you can fold, and you can actually fold this, so if it's in your purse or you're wearing your shades, it doesn't have to take so much space. That is absolutely amazing, you guys. So I'm just gonna put it back in here, and those are my new sunnies, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So that is it, you guys. That is my quick unboxing. I hope you guys found this video interesting and informative. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.